Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the sewing subscription box, Indiestitch. So I have done several sewing subscription boxes and I love them. I think it's really fun. The only ones I've done are ones that are like small sewing projects like zipper pouches and like ironing board things, like lots of fun little things, but I've never actually done a sewing subscription box for clothing. I have always been very intrigued by sewing subscription boxes that are clothing because I wonder if I'll like it or if someone picks it out for you, so it makes it easier. Like, it's a much easier process, but it's more expensive and you're like limited in choices. So I am going to try it out with this Indiestitch box. And actually, this is not like I haven't subscribed to Indiestitch. I actually found them on Etsy that they sell their previous or their past boxes that you can buy on Etsy. So I bought it and I don't know what's inside. There was options of like tops or something else. You couldn't choose like the specific pattern or like specific fabric, but you were able to choose the like general idea of what you were making. There was also a place that you could put in like, I like solids and stripes or wovens or knits or whatever, so you could put in a couple of preferences and they would choose one of their past boxes for you to get and open. So that's what I did, and if I really like it, I will consider subscribing to their box. You know, I just kind of wanted to test it out, and this is a great way to test it because it is a surprise, it is fun, but then I get to see how their boxes work. So let's open up this box. So let's see what's inside. So this is a pretty big box. There's a fair amount of stuff. There's a little information thing about all of their kits. And then on the back it tells you everything that's inside. So that's fun that you know, kind of get some information. I think there's even a coupon code and like videos that you can use. So this, let's see, I'm trying to get it out. Okay, so this is fleece, and from touching it, my guess is this is a polar fleece, and it is a really nice cream color. I like the color, it feels warm. It's not too thick, but it would be warm. And the project, let's see. So what else is in here? So here is some thread that matches my fabric, you can see. There's also some sewing machine needles. These are ballpoint sewing machine needles, so these will work with the fabric and with this thread. This is a all-purpose thread. This, I think, is a sticker or a magnet. So this is a magnet, a refrigerator magnet. Look at all those cute sewing machines. I love how colorful that is. I'm gonna put it back in the bag to keep it safe. And when I was doing this, I didn't know what this was, but I went back to the information and it tells me what it is. This is wash away wonder tape. This is fantastic. I love anything like this. It's super helpful for sewing. Over here, this is like a, oh, this is awesome. I'm totally gonna use this. This is a presser foot storage case. So each presser foot can go in each thing. This is awesome. I'm excited to keep my presser feet in here because I do need some organization for that. This is great. Oh, and this is a stickers that you put right on here so you know what's in it. That's just awesome. How awesome. This is exactly what I needed. Then there is a zipper, so it must be, the pattern is a half zip pullover or just like a little pullover. It's the Ascent Fleece Pullover by 5 out of 4 Patterns. So there's the zipper that comes with it, so I don't have to find that. It actually You can see it matches this fabric very well. And then at the bottom is the pattern. Hold on. This is the pattern all printed out, but it's printed on like copy shop paper, so it's very wide. There's no printing and taping. So I'm not gonna open the whole thing, but if you can see, it's all like, here's a piece and here's a piece, and it's all set up. I mean, it's all together. I just have to cut out my size, do any pattern alterations. That is fun. I do love when the pattern is ready for you. That's one thing. I do love PDF patterns a lot. And I don't like big 4 paper patterns, but I do sometimes hate taping and printing patterns. So this was a really fun box. I love that the pattern comes printed for you, ready to go. That is like awesome. It's also great because I don't think I have used one of the 5 out of 4 sewing patterns, so I'm very excited to use that. I think one of the great things about Indiestitch is that they have so many different indie designers that they pull from to use for their kits, and so it's a great way to experience other pattern designers if you're kind of, you know, only use some of them. I love that everything that comes with it, it's already ready, it already matches, you know, thread, zipper, all that kind of stuff. That's really great. It has, this is the wash away wonder tape. This is really great for doing zippers on knit fabric because it helps you stabilize that fabric just enough to make it easier to sew the zipper, and then it washes away, so it's not like always there and will make the zipper and the fabric stiff. It's just there to help you get the zipper in, and then you can wash it away. I love the magnet. I think the magnet is so fun. And this is like such a surprise, but something I am so thrilled about. I can't wait to get all of my sewing machine feet organized. Right now, like if I were to show you, it's all mixed up in this little box and it's a big mess, and I'm always searching through to find. So I cannot wait to use this and get this organized. This is like, I really like the project, but I think I like this even better. This is really fun. And that was what was in my Indiestitch Kit box. I am very excited to do this project. I think it's going to be so fun and so great. Let me know what you thought of the box in the comments. I can't wait to read them. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.